By using widget libraries, we can enhance the consistency and efficiency of our designs. The icon for a widget library is green, and its file extension is .rplib. To add a local widget library, right-click on it and select Axure RP 11. In the pop-up window, choose where to save the widget library. We can either save it in the default Axure location or the current location. If you want to edit the widget library, click Edit Library, which will take you to the editing page. Here, we directly add the widget library to the Axure RP 11 project without editing it. In the left Libraries pane, the loaded widgets will be displayed, and you can drag them onto the canvas. To edit a widget library, select Open from the menu bar and then choose the widget library file. Axure will open that library. Since this widget library was created in an earlier version, editing and saving it in Axure 11 will prevent it from being opened in lower versions of Axure. To create a blank widget library, select New Library from the menu bar. In the Widgets pane, you can create new folders or pages. Folders correspond to categories of the widget library, and pages correspond to widgets. We will create 3 widgets: color, grid, and typography, as well as a global category. To switch between loaded widget libraries, click the drop-down list in the Libraries pane to select a different library. To add a new widget library in Axure, click the More button and then select Add Local Library. In the pop-up window, choose the widget library you want to load. The widget library will then be loaded. Let's create a cloud widget library that can be shared among team members. Select the Save As button from the menu bar and save the newly created widget library as Cloud New Library. Then click the Share button in the upper right corner. In the pop-up window, select Publish to Axure Cloud. Once published, we can see the uploaded widget library in Axure Cloud, which has a cloud icon on the right side. Select this library to load it. We can see it has a global category and 3 widgets, which correspond to the folders and pages in our current document. This widget library cannot be edited directly since it is stored in Axure Cloud. We switch to a local widget library and then select Edit Library. To remove a widget library, choose Remove Library.